Hey there folks, thanks for checking the channel out once more. This is the Golf GTI, and in this video I want to do a point of view, kind of from my point of view looking at the road. I've recently bought the GoPro Hero 8 with a load of car mounts, which enables me to kind of mount this GoPro wherever I feel like. I've seen other people do it in their videos, and when I bought this car I made sure I watched a Golf kind of driver point of view look on the road to see if I enjoyed the way the car felt, handled and sounded from inside the cockpit. So that's what we're going to be in this video. Definitely people looking at me over there. Gonna now without looking in their direction. So yeah, that's what we're going to do in this video. We're going to be more people. Pretend this camera's not here. We're going to be doing a driving kind of point of view video of the road. Massive speed humps, or are they speed bumps? Oh Jesus, that bump was so big that I had to actually use the clutch to go over it. Impressive. That's an impressive hump you've got there. Right, let's clean the windscreen as that's quite dirty, and let's set the camera up in kind of that view. Let's do that. Thankfully it's a GoPro, so we should be able to withstand a beating. So this is the point of view video, I guess, of the Mark IV Golf GTI. This is the year 2000 model. And where I'm at so far, we've done the alloys, we've given it a service, we've put the ram air filter on. All these videos are available. They are on the channel dotted around amongst some other technology kind of videos. So make sure you check those out if you're interested. So, I'm not sure if you can hear it, but there is a ram air filter there. Let me just drop it down a few gigs. Not sure if you guys can hear that on the camera, but it sounds pretty cool. So those are the things that I've done so far. I want to do some other things, such as I want to put coilovers on. The car needs suspension work anyway, so it kind of makes sense just to put coilovers on it. It will need springs all round. It does affect handling somewhat, as in what the system I've got at the moment, it's quite poor. It doesn't hold the road very nicely. Okay, I'm just gonna go. Cheers. Yeah, it doesn't hold the road nicely, so I'm gonna put coilovers all round. So that will be a video. Raceland do quite nice coilovers, and they're quite cheap. I don't really want to break the bank. Boost hosing needs to be fixed. I think I've got a boost leak somewhere. I'll show you that in a second if I can get to the national speed limit. And what else do I want to do with this car? It needs a remap because it's only 150 brake. It's not the KO3S turbo, so it's only the 150 brake. It's not the anniversary edition, even though you can see some amazing work down here with the silver. I did that myself, not that you can tell. So yeah, if I could find an anniversary that is being broken down, then I probably would buy the turbo. But they go for so much money still, it's not even worth it. I might as well just get a remap and kind of maybe go for stage 2 or 3 at some point. The bad boy bonnet and debadging, that's still kind of in the works. I'm not really too sure what I want to do with that. I kind of like how the car looks with the R32 alloys. I don't know if I want to change anything more aesthetically. I wouldn't mind putting a small like spoiler, like a lid spoiler at the back. I think that would look quite cool. It's on the anniversary edition, and I just think it gives the car more of a mean look. Halo headlights are also kind of in the works. You can't really buy them anywhere. On Gumtree, I've seen a few. For those in the States, Gumtree is like eBay, but with less reliable people on there. So if you don't want anything, go on Gumtree, because you'll find it and then they won't want to sell it to you. it's like Facebook Marketplace. So I've tried that, and there are a few kicking around. So potentially that's in the works. I don't like how these headlights look. It's like standard. So I kind of want to change those up a little bit. So that's kind of in the pipeline, so to speak. What else have I done recently to this car? It's basically all been on the channel. So if you haven't been following the channel, then you've been missing out on some quite enjoyable footage. Tell me what you guys think of this point of view camera angle, if this is something you like seeing or you don't like seeing. Personally, it looks better, I think, than being over in the corner where you can see my face, but that's probably from my point of view. I don't like people seeing me with a camera in my face, I guess. I guess it's just a little bit awkward, but I'll probably go over that. Right, this is the time where we can test boosting, because this is now national speed limit. But there's now cars in the way, which doesn't really. So, first gear, it kind of pulls nicely, then second gear pulls nicely too. This is second gear at 3,000 revs. That actually felt really smooth. It went straight up the rev range with no dramas. So stand by, entering, cars go over. This is second. Still pulling, no long pulling, into third. I'm not going to say something. So, that actually pulled quite nicely. I'm not really sure what I'm talking about now. I feel silly. This is fourth gear at 65, and there's 70. I guess it still pulls quite nicely. Maybe I'm just being a bit weird. I just feel like this car should be quicker, but that's probably why you have a remap done, right? So those are the things I want to do with this Golf GTI. Leave comments down below if you think those would be cool things to see and watch, or if you guys got any ideas for the Golf Mark IV GTI, things that you might have done, things you would do differently. Let's have a civilized debate down below if you enjoyed this style of video. I enjoyed making it with the new GoPro Hero 8. It's nice to test things out and put things through their paces, including the turbo of this car.